Bird versus LHG.
Bird
Yoshi
brain, known
Fox.
to have a bird brain.
He does! This is true from yesterday if you watched the stream.
Yes.
Yoshi's the start. This is Yoshi's story, after all. LHG just has a home advantage.
Yep. Will we see the 0 to death?
Maybe. No.
Nope. No. I'm sorry, commentator's curse.
Shut up, man! Good lead from LHG. Yeah, Sage is pretty neutral for both characters, I'd say, though. LHG's just mashing right now. I don't blame him. Kill him.
You really could just mash on Fox, to be honest.
You could, and Fox would get overwhelmed. The buttons are being pushed, and he killed him.
He won for pressing buttons.
Who would have guessed?
Crazy.
44.
I love how Yoshi Egg in this actually acts as like spin dash.
Yeah, it's interesting. But
that's
that's
only
kinda...
single hit in ultimate.
Yeah, it's not a good move in this game, but it's definitely better than ultimate.
Ultimate is just unplayable.
Pretty much, yeah. Ooh, nice
There's
little
no combo potential.
Bird. Up smash him. Oh, that was nice though. 100 evened up the percent pretty much. Both that kill percent now.
Yeah.
Oh, dead. Yeah.
Dead. Will Yoshi take the game on Yoshi's?
This is the question. This is the age-old question. And he's dead.
Really even game.
Yeah, after LHG's start, I did not think this was gonna be even. Okay, Bird is
Like
not
after the
taking...
strong start.
Yeah, go ahead.
The strong start that LFG had. At the beginning, 73% untouched.
Yeah, he hit so much. But
and it just looks gone right now.
it does. I mean, okay, maybe not gone, but Bird's definitely trying to keep it even.
Not like really gone. Yeah.
Okay, Bird. Okay.
Oh.
Oh,
He doesn't
no,
have a
please don't
bird
die
brain
here.
anymore.
No, he's dead. Oh, he's not dead. LHG didn't let
Oh my
go.
gosh.
Oh, dead maybe? Back air? No.
Birdbrain has the lead. 8%.
True.
Oh, and in the stock now.
He is not on, so shut up, Pika. LHG could never, I'm afraid. Maybe when he wins a major with Yoshi. Holy! F smash,
Dead?
not gonna do it. Oh, dead maybe? Yeah.
Oh, that's dead.
Can't really go to ledge there. Unfortunate. Bird does have the lead though. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, what I will
It
say.
is still really even.
It is even. What I will say, Bird is not teching the egg rolls when he gets knocked down from it, which is really bad. And LHG is able to convert off them, which, yeah, like right there, he needs to be teching.
Yeah. Getting punished.
Even still though,
Oh my
anyone's
gosh.
game.
Those egg throws.
Oh, might be dead here.
Punishing the mistechs.
Oh, that's scary. No, at least she makes it back. No, that's grounded.
We are in last hit right now.
Oh, not dead yet. Next one will definitely do it. But an up smash from Bird will do it.
100%.
Honestly, I'd be throwing up smashes if I was Bird. Oh. No, makes it back. Oh, Yoshi's moving so scary!
Oh.
Good back air from Bird. Just got over the Yoshi. Yoshi's
And Yoshi lost on Yoshi's story. That's crazy.
Yeah, how do you lose on your own story? He goes back. He's like, I want the run back. This is my story now.
Back. He's going to finish the story.
This is... No! Unmute yourself! Were you scared? Dude, I sound like I'm talking to the phone. What happened to it? No. Alright, man. LHG has a lead here.
Yeah.
Any kill? This is literally just the last game all over again. I'm afraid. Oh my goodness. Hello? Punish up there. Stop being bad.
Yeah.
Bro.
Oh. Oh my gosh. R up smash.
That's the LHG classic.
Alright, well, we're going to type pretty close to the last game, and that actually took the game. Let's see if we can do it again.
Well, that shield is small. Okay, down B. Yeah, I don't think he's doing it again. This is some good extra credit from LHG.
It basically up a whole stock with 5%.
Pretty much, yeah. Oh, might be dead here? No. Can't get anything off the down B, unfortunately.
Back air? No, good.
Back air. Oh, oh! LHG ledge rocked that, he would have been dead. Nope. Next one, though. Stop pushing buttons, bro! Alright.
Stop playing the game!
Yes. Stop playing the game. Play the game. Actually, don't play the game.
Now LHG. The extra credit actually got him the full stock.
Okay. Bird
And
finally
70%.
getting the stock. Kinda where Yoshi excels, though. I would say. I mean, it's good to have a lead as any character, but Yoshi, especially in this matchup, can just rack up damage so fast, like we've seen. This is scary. He might get the stock here? No? Dude, LHG, you're being so extra right now. Just literally just fair him off stage.
Just kill him.
Oh my god! Fox there, ladies and gentlemen.
Just lay. He just laid there after the
Yeah. Oh, dead? Just fair him! Oh my god.
Kill him!
LHG is doing the same 5 options was a challenge.
Yoshi gameplay, guys.
Yup. Yeah, Bird probably doesn't take this game. Okay. Evens up the stocks. Alright.
2 stocks to 1. LHG definitely in favor of winning this game.
Yeah.
Unless Bird brings...
Okay, LHG! Alright, that was extra, but I liked it. You get a pass from me.
You got the green card.
Ooh.
Oh?
Okay, good down my ledge. Might die here? Yeah. Okay,
Oh my
okay.
God.
Last stock, last stock. Fox is definitely a character that can win last stock. Oh, that's dead.
Now the stocks are... Oh.
Double in there. Yeah.
Alright, 1-1.
LHG rewrote his story on Yoshi's story.
Yep. Finish the story.
Post that one.
Unless we go back... Oh. We're going to...
The PC. Yeah. Good Fox stage. That's about it. Very classic.
Yeah,
easy tiller,
lower ceiling. Up smash is gonna... Up smash and up air are gonna kill a lot early. Any side B off stage.
You hate to see it. Truly. That is one of the fumbles of all time. Oh my god, don't do another up air, that would have been sick! You had it, man!
You would have killed.
Oh my... Dude, that's 3 times!
Bro, these up smash.
This set is just all the buttons being pushed.
From both players, yes.
Yeah. B, nothing off it. Oh, Nair down B. That's a new one. Oh, the jab.
The jabs go crazy.
This armor is really messing with Bird. Okay, yeah, that. Okay, I actually just realized down B will kill a lot earlier now. Which is nice for LHG.
Ooh.
Yep. Yoshi down smash.
Good move.
True.
Like really good in the text changes.
Oh yeah. Strong and big.
Very big.
That's what she said.
Okay.
I had to. I had to redeem myself from yesterday.
Yeah, because you didn't kill an up B.
Okay, man. I might kill an up B in my set today. I can't remember.
I'm looking for.
I might. I can't remember.
Yes. I'm looking forward to it. And if you don't, can we ban him?
Can we ban him? Is crazy.
Like ban him from every SSF2 tournament.
Bro. These guys are not hitting each other.
This is just average gameplay.
This is. I'm watching two toddlers play right now. No offense, guys.
This is how all masters play.
LH baby. Oh, dare drill up air. Oh no, bear. Dude, Yoshi armor. Okay, there we go. That's stock. Last stock. Can Bird clutch it this time? Did not see him clutch
he
last
immediately died when you said it like last game. So
This is true.
I'm literally thinking he's gonna die right now.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
my
man.
gosh. Oh my god.
He's up smash. No, that would have been sick. Oh, big. 47.
Up smash. We love
Dead.
to see it. Oh, he's dead.
Oh my god, what? That guy! This is so scary. Especially with Yoshi's movement. He makes it back, up smash, weak it. You gotta
Aiming
start
these up
something. God,
smashes.
dead. Yeah.
Dang, Nair.
Nair is quite strong. I underestimated a lot. LHG up 2-1. Might go back to PC. Oh, Smashville.
Smash a bill. Interesting
if you-
choice.
If you guys don't get the balloons, I'm gonna cry.
He will cry on stream, everyone.
I will.
So don't make him cry.
Exactly. This guy knows it's up.
I mean, you can make Quackus cry though. That'd be
Holy.
funny.
Bear
Oh.
up smash. Nothing off it. Good damage though.
Ultimate combos, let's go.
True. Dude, just do anything out of that! Oh my god, this is pissing me off. That's not dead. Okay, yeah, Smashville does have a high blast zone. Or a high ceiling blast zone.
Whenever I see a combo that people do in Ultimate all the time, I just root for that.
Yeah. Their up
Yeah.
smash is like a thing in every game, I think. Besides maybe Brawl. Maybe. He's alive.
That? Ooh.
Yoshi armor. He would have died from that bear.
145 on LHG. Can Birdbrain get this stock?
No, yeah, this is what I'm worried to see.
Oh, there we go. Drill up smash.
Honestly, Yoshi sucks, but this doesn't seem like a bad matchup for Yoshi. Because I feel like he has the combo game on Fox, and like Fox has the kill power, but Yoshi has armor, and he kind of negate that a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, you might be dead. No, okay. At least you're running to the other side of the stage instead of ledge hogging. That's my goat right there.
%80 deficit.
Yeah, it doesn't look good for Bird.
Yeah.
But if LHG just keeps pushing the same buttons, he might be able to get something started. But Bird really has not, like, he did win the first game, but he hasn't been able to figure out how to get past LHG's buttons. Alright.
Oh.
I don't know how else to word that.
Tried going to ledge with the up B.
Oh my god.
Did not hit it.
Bear up smash, up air. Okay, good. 175. Oh, no, double bear. He wants him dead. The block button ain't enough. I want him dead. Oh!
Oh, there we go. That's dead.
That is dead. Good ledge hog. Finally a fair from LHG.
We've been looking for that the whole set.
Yup.
Yeah, it looks like LHG is going to close out this set.
Does look like that. This is quite the deficit here for Bird. Hello, baller.
Hello. Okay, obviously I missed a lot of games, so still. Oh, Bird's getting wrecked. That's crazy. How you losing Fox Yoshi?
I don't think this is that bad of a matchup for Yoshi.
I just think Yoshi's bad.
I think Yoshi's like bottom 3, bottom 5, yeah, but I think like this isn't terrible for Yoshi. Oh.
Still, like, I'm assuming LSU was up 2-0?
He is. He's up 2-1.
He was up 2-0, that's why this LSU's counter pick, or? Oh, okay, so this is Bird's second counter pick. Why is Bird picking his swing actually? You deserve to lose. Bro, you deserve to lose every game. I hope you just... Bro, I'm sorry. Like, that's such a bad... Why are you being smashed for? Bro? Thank God. Get out of this tournament.
Okay, yep. And LSG,
Rude.
after not being able to complete the story on Yoshi's story in game 1, finished the story against Bird Brain, or finished Bird Brain's story actually.